2, 3, funky.
Welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are having an amazing day. DIY video was not at all planned, but the idea suddenly popped and I just felt like let's do it, and I just did it. My personal favorite is the Starburst Mirror one. You can buy it from Amazon. Even I am planning to buy a huge version from Amazon. This is a very small version and it's also made up of paper. So yeah, this is just a little bit of fun, teeny tiny little Starburst Mirror decor. Hope you guys will like the video. Like the video if you guys like the video. Why am I showing a thumbs down? No, it's a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up. Like the video if you guys like the video. Subscribe to my channel and yeah, enjoy the video. So for the first DIY, I am taking an old compact powder container and I am taking out the mirror, and this is the reason why I don't throw the mirrors of the compact powder, because it can be really handy. So at the back of the mirror you might see the hot glue thing still there. You can get rid of it easily, just scrape it off, but I'm just leaving it. For creating the starburst effect, I have used paper rolls. Now making paper rolls are so easy, and I have made paper rolls so many times in other videos, so I didn't make one this time. Actually that's a lie. I just forgot to I forgot to make the video, so sorry. It's very easy, just go and see. You can use wooden towels and also straws to create this starburst effect. Basically I am just sticking the paper rolls on the mirror at the back side, and I used the craft glue. So yeah, paper rolls and craft glue works really good. And then I just added some double tape at the back, and then yeah, it's done.
Funky.
The second DIY is the floating vase. So I am using an X-Acto knife to get rid of the top portion of the bottle so that it does not look like a regular plastic bottle. Then I am adding some color. You can just leave it the way it was. You can add rose gold spray, silver spray, anything. You can do anything. After that, I'm using some yarn at the top portion of the bottle, and I'm also leaving a long portion of the yarn so that I can hang it on the wall so that it looks like it's floating. And this is the best part of the plastic bottle, that it's really light. You can see I'm using a teeny tiny nail, and yeah, you're done. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like the video if you guys like the video, and I should learn how to not use this hand. Like the video if you guys like the video, subscribe to my channel, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. See, I just can't control this hand. I'll see you guys in my next video. 1, take 2, take 3. Okay, I was watching the previous clips and it felt like I'm wearing nothing, but I'm actually wearing a t-shirt. If you guys